No, don't do that! Have you ever heard someone say, "Don't give kids too much sugar, they'll go crazy"? Maybe you heard it when you were a kid. Maybe you say it now. Maybe you've seen a kid eating a cupcake at a birthday party and thought, "Yep, here we go." But what if it's just not true? So the message seems pretty clear. People often assume sugar causes hyperactivity, but does it actually? When I looked into peer-reviewed research, I found that the answer is no, at least not in the exaggerated way people usually claim. A well-known study on this topic looked at the effects of sugar ingestion and expectations on mother-child interactions. What researchers found was sometimes adults believed children were acting more hyper even when sugar was not actually present. In other words, expectations swayed their observations. That means if a parent, teacher, or caregiver expects sugar to make a child wild, they'll more likely interpret normal child behavior as hyper anyway. Another reason this myth sticks around is because sugar is often presented in exciting situations: Halloween, birthday parties, celebrations, amusement parks. Kids are already excited being around their friends and staying up later, playing games, laughing, yelling, and running around. So when adults see this behavior after candy or desserts, it is easy to blame the sugar. But in many cases, it's just the excitement or the social setting. Now, to be fair, sugar does affect the body, providing glucose, which the body uses for energy. For example, athletes or adults sometimes eat sugar or simple carbs to quickly restore energy. So it is reasonable to say that sugar can have a small effect on energy levels or blood sugar after consumption. But that is not the same as saying sugar makes children hyperactive in dramatic ways that people claim. This is only a slight increase in available energy and is not causing a loss of control or instant chaos. The scientific evidence does not support the exaggeration. So is it true that sugar makes kids hyperactive? Based on the research, the answer is no. There is no scientific support to tie a direct link between sugar and hyperactivity. Sugar may affect energy, but that is not the same thing. Many childlike behaviors are probably better explained by excitement, environment, and adult expectations. So the next time someone says, "Don't give that kid a cupcake, they'll go insane," turns out the sugar may not be the problem. The myth is.